Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to discuss the 3 ways to describe a set. And these are the roster notation or listing method, the verbal description, and the set builder notation or rule method. Una ay the roster notation or listing method. That is by listing each element of the set inside the symbol, yung braces. Example, A is equal to the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. B with the elements of P, H, I, N, A, S. C with the elements of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Tandaan po natin sa listing method or roster notation, bawal pong isulat ng pangalawang beses or pangatlong beses ang bawat element. You are going to list the element once. And also, the order of these elements doesn't matter. For example, si 4. Si 4 ay pwedeng mapunta dito sa unahan, si 3 pwedeng nasa hulihan, si 2 pwedeng nasa unahan, si 1 pwedeng nasa hulihan. So, the arrangement of the elements doesn't matter. Next ay the verbal description, a method of describing a set in words. Verbal, words. Examples, set A is the set of counting numbers less than 5. Set B is the set of letters in the word Philippines. Number 3, set C is the set of days in a week. Okay po. Next is the set builder notation or rule method. It is a method that lists the rules that determine whether an object is an element of the set rather than the actual elements. Example, A is equal to the set of all x's such that x is a counting number less than 5. Number 2, B is the set of all x's such that x is a letter in the word Philippines. Number 3, C is the set of all x's such that x is the day of a week. Now, here are some examples of a given set written in a roster notation or listing method, verbal description, or the rule method. For example, number 1, set A with the elements of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then if we are going to transform this one into a verbal description, ito ay magiging set A is the set of odd numbers below 10. And then if we are going to transform the verbal description into the set builder notation or rule method, ganito ang magiging format niya. A is equal to the set of all x's such that x is an odd number below 10. Okay? So number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, write your answer in the comment box.